Okay, so we are from group 2 and this is our e-magazine. I'm presenting this using Screencast-O-Matic. Okay, so as you can see here, this is our main cover for our e-magazine, and the reason why we chose this is because the texture itself represents Sabah. Okay, so before I flip this open, the title of our e-magazine is Bidik Explore Sabah. Okay, moving on. On the first page, you can see the editor's letter, and here you'll see the content contributors. Okay, so our e-magazine will contain of portraits of UMS graduates, texture in intangibility, and blurred in motion. Okay, so as you can see here, our e-magazine consists of portraits of UMS graduates, where in here you will see the emotion that they have portrayed on their graduation day. Moving on. Okay. And this is our center spread of our e-magazine. This is the advertisement for Desa Fresh Milk. Here we have more pictures of the UMS graduates portraying their emotion. Okay, so moving on, here we have textures in intangibility. These are some of the textures photographed by our group members. All of these photos are taken in Sabah. Okay, next, the last part of this e-magazine, you'll see some photos blurred in motion. These are the sunsets, the UMS fountain, the water fountain, and also the flipping pages. So this is our last page of our e-magazine. We have included UMS logo and CC logo. So that's all from us. Thank you.